Assalamualaikum viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zenny Study Instruments. Here all students who are doing Master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is English grammar and I'm gonna tell you about the very important topic is idioms. Before starting this video guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. और वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर माई वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. The viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. If you don't understand, please tell me in the comment box. And if you need another topic, please tell me in the comment box. You will get the same topic in the next video. Now I'm gonna start the topic. Idioms. Idioms, a group of words established by usage as having a meaning or deducible from those of the individual words. For example, over the moon, see the light. एक ऐसा अल्फाज का ग्रोह जिसमें इस्तेमाल के ज़राए कायम करदा इस अल्फाज का ग्रोह जिसमें इनफरादी अल्फाज में से किसी से कटौती नहीं करते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओवर द मून, जैसे चांद पर, सी द लाइट, रोशनी देखें. एंड idioms is another easy definition of idioms. An idiom is a common phrase which means something different from its literal meaning but can be understood because of their popular use. एक मुहावरा एक आम सा जुमला है जिसका मतलब इसके लुग़वी मानी से कुछ मुख्तलिफ है, लेकिन इनके मकबूल इस्तेमाल की वजह से समझा जा सकता है. और सबसे ज़रूरी, मुहावरे को समझने के लिए किसी को कभी इस काफ़त को जानने की ज़रूरत होती है जहाँ से मुहावरा आता है. In order to understand an idiom, one sometimes need to know the culture from which the idiom comes. एक मुहावरे को समझने के लिए किसी को कभी इस काफ़त को जानने की ज़रूरत होती है जहाँ से मुहावरा आता है, which the idiom comes. Now first idiom, come to think of about it. इसका मीनिंग है something that has just occurred to us as we speak. For example, come to think of it, add potatoes and carrots to the list. And second is worm in the apple, meaning the presence of something very bad in the best. Example, there's nothing worse than getting a worm in your apple. Without further ado, meaning no fuss or ceremony. Example, Steve is very organized and friendly. When we met him last week, he introduced us all to the team without further ado. Dutch uncle, meaning criticize, scold or lecture someone. Example, I thought the would approve of my choices, but he ranted on like a Dutch uncle for a whole hour. King of the hill, meaning be the undisputed champion. Example, he made $3 million before he was 30, so he is the king of the hill in his industry. Backroom boy, meaning people who work in anonymity. Example, they left the technical problems for the backrooms boys. They will make short work of it all. Next, end up, meaning reach a particular place or condition. Example, they ate so much that they ended up feeling ill for the rest of the day. Buffer zone, meaning neutral zone between two or more areas. Example, the council proposed to plant some parkland as a buffer zone between the industrial estate and the new housing project. Call on, meaning use courage, reserve, never or strength to achieve something. Example, he had to call on all his strength to get to the finals. Turn aside, meaning refuse entry to somewhere. Example, his job application was turned aside when they saw his criminal record. Out of hand, meaning out of control. Example, when the police arrived, they realized the party was getting out of hand. Rabbit hole, meaning mentally go somewhere surreal or strange. Example, Peter is having another one of his parties on Friday. Time to go down the rabbit hole again. Bang for the buck, meaning more value for money. Example, we tried that new Indian restaurant last night. The food was excellent and the price weren't too bad either. So we got a lot of bang for our bucks. Get rid of, meaning to something or someone remove. Example, he finally got rid of the door-to-door salesman by saying he had to go out. Pay lip service, meaning to agree by word of mouth only. Example, he paid lip service to the cause, but he hasn't lent a hand yet. Two peas in a pod, meaning particularly identical in appearance. Example, those boys could be twins. They are like two peas in a pod. Fan the flames, meaning make a bad situation even worse. Example, the president's racist comments are really going to fan the flames of hatred among the crowd. A hard nut to crack, meaning a problem that is difficult to solve. Example, she is such a tough nut to crack, nobody seems to be able to get through to her. Turn against, meaning to change from supporting something to opposing it. Example, a section of his supporters turned against him when they heard his latest speech on immigration. Fight tooth and nail, meaning to fight very fiercely. Example, I want this job, so I am going to fight tooth and nail for it. Guys, ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक idioms. वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर माई वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अल्लाह हाफिज़.